Hello to all the employers out there. My name is Marisa Picatindig. I am 45 years old. I'm a single mother with four kids. I'm a college graduate with a degree in business administration, major in marketing. I used to work in Hong Kong for 7 years. My first employer is a German and Hong Kong family with two kids. My main responsibilities are taking care of the kids, accompany the kids to their school activities and doctor's appointment as well. Aside from that, I am cleaning the house, doing the laundry and ironing, cooking, and going to the market. So I love to cook and bake for this family. My second employer is a Belgian and Hong Kong family with one kid. So my main responsibilities are cleaning of the house, doing the laundry, ironing, and assisting my employer in cooking. Because my employer, they are the one responsible in cooking because they love to cook for themselves. And aside from that, uh, to run some errands for this family as well. I am hardworking, honest, responsible, and I can work without supervision. To all the employers out there, I hope you will choose me as part of your family to work for you. So I can guarantee you that I will do my best and, of course, take care of your family. So, to all the employers out there, have a wonderful day. Thank you and bye bye.